If your game randomly crashes with a black screen, or you get display driver stopped responding and has recovered, it's probably not your game. It's probably not even your GPU dying. It's a Windows timer that's set way too short, and there's an actual fix for it, plus the honest truth about when it won't work. Let's go.
This is called a TDR, Timeout Detection and Recovery. Here's the short version. Windows gives your GPU a 2-second window to respond to a command. If your GPU takes longer than that because a scene is heavy, a driver hiccups, or your CPU and GPU momentarily fall out of sync under load, Windows assumes the GPU has crashed and force resets the driver. That reset is exactly what you're seeing. The freeze, the black screen, the stopped responding pop-up, sometimes a full crash to desktop. Before this feature existed, this same situation would have just frozen your entire PC and forced a hard reboot. So TDR is actually there to protect you. It's just set way too aggressively by default. Your hardware is usually fine. Windows just panicked too early and pulled the plug before your GPU had a chance to catch up.
Here's how to give your GPU more time to respond before Windows resets it. Press Win plus R, type regedit, hit Enter. Navigate to HKey local machine /system /CurrentControlSet /control /GraphicsDrivers. Right-click in the empty space on the right panel, then New, then DWORD 32-bit value. Name it exactly TdrDelay. Case matters, so type it exactly like that. Double-click it, switch the base to decimal, and set the value to 8. That gives your GPU 8 seconds to respond instead of the default 2. If crashes continue after testing for a while, bump it up in small steps, 10, then 15. Don't jump straight to something extreme like 60 unless you're doing heavy GPU compute work, not gaming. Higher isn't automatically better here. It just means a longer frozen screen if something's actually wrong, instead of a quick recovery. Close the registry editor and restart your PC. This setting doesn't take effect until you reboot. Quick bonus tip, if you're still seeing timeouts after this, there's a second related key called TdrDelay. Set the same way, same location. It controls a slightly different part of the same timeout chain. Most people only need TdrDelay, but it's worth knowing it exists.
Before you chalk this up as fixed, check Windows Update. Microsoft has shipped actual OS-level patches for specific TDR causes before, and they're still doing it as of late 2025 and into 2026. If you're behind on updates, that alone might resolve it without touching the registry at all. And on the flip side, if your crashes started right after installing a Windows update, rolling that specific update back can matter more than any registry tweak. Check your update history, match the timing against when the crashes started, and uninstall it if it lines up.
Now, the honest part, because this fix gets recommended for everything and it doesn't work for everything. This works well if your crashes are occasional, tied to heavy load, or caused by your CPU and GPU briefly falling out of sync, which is genuinely common in newer, more demanding games. It will not fix things if the real problem is an unstable overclock, a corrupted or botched driver install, overheating, or failing hardware. In those cases, TdrDelay just delays the crash. It doesn't stop it, and sometimes it just makes the freeze last longer before it happens. One more gotcha. This registry key can get silently wiped out by a driver update or a Windows update. If the crashes come back months from now, check that the key is still there before assuming the fix has stopped working. There's a good chance it's just been reset. If you've gone through all of this, updated Windows, set TdrDelay, ruled out overclocks and overheating, and it's still crashing, it's not a timeout problem anymore. That's a driver or hardware issue, and that's a different fix entirely. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you and which game or error message you were dealing with. I read them, and it helps me know what to cover next. Subscribe if you want more of these, and I'll see you in the next one.